Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're into crypto news, price predictions, and market updates, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Mask Coin, what's happening with it, the recent Binance delisting, and where the price could be heading next. Let's get straight into it. Right now, as of April 9th, 2025, Mask is trading at around $1.100. That's a small increase of about 0.25% from a previous day, with price action ranging between $0.93 and $1.03 during the day. But here's the big headline: Binance delisted Mask in early April. That caused a brutal drop, about 38% in just one day. Panic selling kicked in, and trading volume exploded. So what's Mask doing to bounce back? Back in February, Mask Network made a bold move by restructuring its ecosystem. They spun off key projects like NextID, Web3 Bio, and Firefly into separate entities. It's a clear sign they're focused on scaling faster and driving more innovation. Let's take a quick look at the technicals. The RSI Relative Strength Index recently hit 10.37, which is extremely low. That means Mask was heavily oversold. When this happens, it often signals a short-term rebound might be on the way. Now for the big question: what's the price prediction? According to CoinCodex, Mask could trade anywhere between $0.47 and $2.25 this year. If market conditions turn bullish, we might see Mask aim for that upper target. So is Mask still worth watching? Despite the Binance blow, Mask is proving it's not out of the game. The team's restructuring and continued push for decentralized social media apps show long-term potential. Keep your eyes on technical trends and news developments. This one's not done yet. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more updates like this. Thanks for tuning in.